The Bikeflights Bike Box Medium is perfect for most gravel and road bikes. It easily assembles to a size of 45 by 12 by 30 inches. This box is designed to keep costs low on both domestic and international shipping. Packing the Bikeflights Bike Box Medium is a simple process that requires you to do these 5 key steps. First, remove the pedals. Remove both wheels. Remove the rear derailleur. Remove the handlebars. Remove or lower the seat and seat post. Use the supplied packing materials to prepare your bike for shipping. Place the bike in the box from either the top or side and secure it in place with the appropriate spacers and bungees. Once your Bikeflights Bike Box Medium is packed, use bikeflights.com to ship your bike with confidence.